Howard Gardner originally studied law, but inspired by Jean Piaget and his works in developmental psychology, as well as Erik Erikson's mentoring, he shifted his focus towards the field of psychology. He is currently an adjunct professor of psychology at the Harvard Graduate School of Education. Unlike the other conventional theories that claim that there is one single general intelligence, Gardner proposed that there are multiple ways of learning. He identifies them in 8 different intelligences, including visual spatial intelligence. Think of sailors and architects who are keen in terms of physical space. Linguistic verbal intelligence. Think of educators. They are mostly well developed in using words effectively to convey their teachings. Mathematical intelligence. Think of scientists and mathematicians who are good at calculating and reasoning. Kinesthetic intelligence. Think of dancers who are very developed in terms of using their body effectively. Musical intelligence. For this, singers are good examples of those with high musical intelligence, as they are sensitive to sound and rhythm. Interpersonal intelligence. Salesmen usually have high interpersonal intelligence, as they have the ability to understand others' interests and are able to interact with others as well. Intrapersonal intelligence. Researchers could be an example of those with high intrapersonal intelligence, as they have the ability to understand their own goals and have strong wills. Naturalistic intelligence. Gardeners have high naturalistic intelligence as they are fond of exploring nature. Gardner has added another possible type referred to as existential intelligence. Think of theologists who deal with deep questions about the existence of humans, such as the purpose of our lives, why we live and die, and the creation. As mentioned earlier, this theory was unique in that it broadened the view towards intelligence and conceptualized intelligence as not just one quality, but multiple qualities, and this had great impact within the field of education, enabling more research on human intelligence. This theory can be supported by the existence of the savant syndrome. Savants show exceptional skills in a specific, limited field. They may be exceptionally good at playing the piano while showing extremely low interpersonal intelligence, such as communicating with others efficiently. This shows that intelligence cannot be determined by a single general intelligence, but rather multiple. Some point out the flaws of this theory, that there is no empirical evidence for the concept of multiple intelligences. Neuroscience studies have shown that there are no specific divisions of the intelligences in the brain, and critics add that this theory is only a vague division of intelligence into multiple areas. In addition, as a response to Gardner's claim that the single general intelligence theory does not stand, critics have argued that each of the multiple intelligences can be compensated as general intelligence.